PLC-data is a smart data logger. It is implemented as a window service. There is no application overhead. Windows operating systems favor protecting services in the event of a computer crash. PLC-data also supports Rockwell's and Siemens S7 PLCs. PLC-data reads data from PLCs and logs it into a SQL Server database and generates CSV reports on the logged data. PLC-data communicates with PLCs via Ethernet and supports several PLCs of different types in a network. PLC-data login can be configured using an XML login file and reporting on the logged data in an XML reporting file. PLC-data login and reporting can also be configured using Excel. So you can either use XML for configuration, Excel for configuration, or you can use both. PLC-data has two modes of login: continuous login, which is frequency-based, or PLC-controlled login. PLC-data creates CSV reports based on daytime triggers or PLC-controlled triggers. That actually means that the PLC can generate reports on demand. PLC-data auto-creates the database and all the required log and error tables. Only very basic knowledge of database is required. PLC-data has been mainly designed for PLC programmers, system integrators that require an easy-to-configure, reliable data logging system. PLC-data is easy to set up, install, configure, and start. PLC-data trial version works forever and is free, but limited to a maximum number of tags, 10 tags to be precise.